Hey, what's up? Today I want to share with you my recipe for Bouyiourdi. Bouyiourdi is that Greek appetizer or meze you find in most restaurants throughout Greece, in a lot of Greek towns. It's that baked feta with peppers and tomatoes, olive oil, oregano, all gooey, delicious, and so easy to make. And I want to show you how to make that today. So, first things first, I'm gonna preheat our oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit or about 200 degrees Celsius, get that off and going. Next, what we're gonna actually bake or roast this off in. You have two ways to go. You can either get something like a ceramic ramekin or some sort of ceramic container, or it doesn't have to be ceramic, even it could be metal, whatever you have will work. By the way, you don't need the lid for this. Or if you don't have a ceramic ramekin, you can use a larger brie baking dish. Will totally work. Again, no lid required. This size is more for like a couple of people. Lovely romantic dinner for two. Or in my case today, I'll be using the 4-portion size for myself. So, first things first, easy peasy. I'm just gonna place this down, and what I'm going to do first is layer or just drizzle maybe a tablespoon on the bottom with my Greek extra virgin olive oil. Nothing to it, it'll stop the feta from sticking. You're gonna need about 300 grams of feta, more or less, for this. That's gonna go in there. Nothing to this so far. You're gonna take some tomato. This is not from my garden, sadly, but what you're gonna do is just slice it up, maybe a 1/4 inch thick, and what you're gonna do is just place these tomatoes over your feta, just like this. Boom. Nothing, what the hell, I'll use this too as well. It's all good. Now, with this, next thing, this is from my garden, a little sweet Greek pepper. Nothing complicated, just cut it up into slices or rings, very easy. Spread it just like that, around, that's perfect, nothing to it. Now, a little bit of oregano, Greek oregano will go over this. A little bit of salt. You don't want to go too crazy on the salt. The feta already has enough salt in it. A little bit of black pepper will go into this as well. This part here is totally optional. If you want a little bit of heat, you could either use some chili peppers or just do like just a really quick, just a drizzle of sriracha sauce. I like the flavor of sriracha. And once again, we're gonna pop a little bit of our fresh Greek olive oil. Again, a couple of tablespoons. It's up to you. You can do less, more, whatever. And all we're gonna do is pop this into our 400-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until our feta has melted and everything is like bubbly and delicious. So, in about half an hour from now, prepare to go crazy. Alrighty, so it's been about half an hour or so. My Bouyiourdi is literally right out of the oven. This is like hotter than sin right now. It's like really hot. So here's the thing. Let me just move these out of the way. It's scorching hot. Let's doll this up a little bit with a little bit of feta. And all I'm gonna do is just loosely crumble just a little bit of the cold feta from this or on this. Next, I'm just gonna grab some chives. These chives are right out of my garden. Now here's the thing, you can use chives if you got them, you can use the green onions, whatever it is you want. Now just really, really finely chop them up. It's nothing complicated. And this is actually gonna add to the flavor, and it's also gonna garnish this as well. So just boop, 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 some little bit of chives over that. Boom, Bobby's your uncle. Very simple, nothing to this at all, nothing complicated. All we did, let's recap. A little bit of olive oil on the bottom of our baking vessel or our ceramic dish. Feta layered, tomato, sweet pepper, you can use red pepper, whatever if you want to up the color thing. Tomato, olive oil, Greek oregano, Greek olive oil, they go together. It's like cornflakes and milk. But anyway, that's the dish. That is my recipe for Bouyiourdi. I hope you guys try this. You'll get a kick out of it. It's so delicious and so simple to make, and it's gonna take you right back to that Greek taverna in Greece. So my friends, until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I had a blast making this. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Smash that notification bell as well. It'll keep you up to date with what's going on and every time I upload. And until next time, thank you so much again. Bye for now.